Hey y'all, it's your boy Dark Honest Duh, and today we coming at you with another tutorial, honey. Yes, baby, yes, we're coming at you with another tutorial. So I just want to go ahead and let it be known that there's no drink for this video because I have yet to order alcohol, yet to replenish my bar. So I'm sorry about it. But yes, y'all. This is the look for today. Get into it, honey. Get into it. I know you see the material. I bring it to you every week. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, and share. Because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? And don't forget to hit that little ding-a-ling-a-ling notification bell so that every time I post some content, or every time I post a short, you will be the first to know. Anyways, honey, look. I'm the assignment, so we need to get y'all over to the instructor. You know, the brush of the tutorial, Ricky. So he can go ahead and get y'all started on the assignment. Okay, so go ahead and get the class, honey. I don't have to write your ass up, so go ahead and go. Go ahead, you need to go. Go, you need to go. Go, you need to go, you need to go, you need to go. Hey y'all, it's your boy Ricky, the brush of the tutorial. What it do, boo? What's the tea-marie? Oh my gosh. So today we're doing like a purple look because right now I'm going live here on the MB Live dating app. So I'll be kind of looking backwards and forwards in between these cameras. You know what I'm saying? So yes, let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So I want to do a dark purple. Oh. Let's see. Let's see what I got here. Let's see what I got. I'm gonna use Love Your Expressions. Thank you. I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette. I'm gonna use this beautiful palette here. And I am going to dip into the color Jellies, which is this purple right here. Alright. And we're going to put that all over the eye. Oh, silly me. I ain't putting no concealer on my eyes. So I'm going in with my Maybelline. Lord, it's been a long day. My Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick. And this is in the color Warm Sun 335. So we're going to be putting that on the eyes, honey. Okay. That's what I use for like when I'm doing colorful looks. Put that all over the eyes. Then I'm going to blend it out with a foundation brush. But topic of the video is unpopular facts about skincare. I feel like when it comes to skincare, a lot of people forget that skincare is more than just your face. Skincare is a lot more than that. You know, skincare is your neck. Skincare is like your hands. You know, your upper, I forgot what this part called. This part, your part where your clavicles at. That part, you know, skincare is just more than just your face, you know. Even skincare and hair care they're kind of like hand in hand, because some of the skincare you can't use for your hair because it's all about moisture. You want to make sure you're keeping these things moisturized. But let me, skincare is healing plus self-love for me. Yes, it is. Skincare is most definitely all of that. Skincare is the base. It's the foundation for everything. So let's go ahead and, ooh, should I do a halo? I think I just asked that. I don't know if y'all answered. Should I do a halo or a cut crease? I think I'm going to do a halo. A halo, woo-woo. Hit me like you made your thought. Yeah, let's do a halo. I'm feeling a little Beyonce-ocious today. Feeling a little Beyonce-on. A little Beyonce today. So let's do a little halo. I think this is what I'm going to start doing from now on. is I'm gonna start filming, and then I'm gonna also go live on on Emmy. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. Ooh, this needs to go away. But yeah, let's do a halo look. So I'm just gonna put this purple in the inner crease, upper crease, and in the outer V of the eye. Almost putting it in like a hamburger shape. Yes. And kind of stippling it and blending it out as you go. Yes, honey, you're good. Thank you. I tried to be. What Beyonce say? Because I'm a seasoned professional. Hey, professional. It's like, yeah, I tried to be. Now I'm going to go in with the Smoke and Mirrors Diamond Darling. This is a 22-piece eyeshadow kit. I'm going to go in with this. And I'm going to go in with that fabulous purple glitter, which is called Power. I'm going to go in with this one right here. Right here. And yes, we're going to put that in the outer part of the eye. I'm going to use a flat foundation brush to do such activities. Yes, honey. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is. Oh, ew. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked. But yes, I feel like skincare has a lot to do. Hey doctor, would you mind opening the chest and claim the chat? I don't know what that means, but okay. But yes, I feel like skincare has a lot to do with just, if anything, skincare can be like a whole body experience, you know? You want to make sure that all of your skin is moisturized. That's number one. When it comes to skincare, you want to make sure that you're using a good toner. Now, me personally, I don't use a toner, but it is something good because it helps keep your skin even. You do want to make sure that you're using a toner. When you're doing makeup, a moisturizer, okay? If you're going to use an exfoliator, like, use it in sections. How do I, what word am I looking for? If you're going to use an exfoliator, don't use one every day. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't use one every day. Because your skin, it's not enough exfoliating in the world. Unless you have like an exfoliator that's like very, it doesn't have the full effect like a most exfoliator do. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, honey. Yes, that's an eye. That's an eye. And then this color right here. Oh, yeah. I'm putting that in. Oh, it's another one. Oh. Which one, though? Swatch both of them. I think I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to use Glow Up. I'm going to use Glow Up, which is this color right here. And I'm going to put that in the center. Use Glow Up. It's once a week or twice a week good for exfoliating. If anything, I would say maybe 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. When it comes to exfoliating, you never want to exfoliate more than that, because if you do have sensitive skin, it can cause you to break out, and also, you know, your skin can do some very gnarly things. You don't want your skin peeling off or anything like that. I'm trying to find a brush to put this to put this color on. I have so many. I need to clean my brushes, to be honest. You know, that's also another thing when it comes to skincare. Cleaning your brushes. Clean your makeup brushes is probably one of the easiest things you can do when it comes to skincare. Because when it comes to makeup, it doesn't matter if you're just using it on your own face. It's going to hold bacteria, especially when you have palettes opening and, you know, you're moving it around and it's sitting in one spot. It's going to be bacteria. So you do want to make sure that you're cleaning your makeup brushes, your makeup sponges, because that's how you get dermatitis. You don't want to get dermatitis. Like at all. That's not a vibe. It's not a vibe. So yeah, I would say exfoliate for like 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how sensitive your skin is. But you don't want to do no more than that though. Ooh, I'm about to say, where's my mirror? I'm going to put this color glow up in the center. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. That's what I needed. That's what I needed. Yes, darling. And then now I'm just going to kind of go backwards and forwards in between those two colors until I get that blend that I want. Because it's all about what? It's all about blending. Blending. Oh my God, your application was so satisfying. Thank you. Thank you. I does the makeup thing. That is so pretty. So freaking pretty. So freaking pretty. Y'all, I am feeling myself already. And then I'm going to put on a liner. And I'm using the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof. This is an eye and body liner. I'm using this liner. This beautiful liner right here. This is a eye and body liner, so she's multi-purposeful, okay? She has multi-functions, okay? She can be used all over the body, yada, 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 okay? But we're just gonna do just a little itsy bitsy wing is what I'm saying now, but it's gonna become something, yep, just like I said, it's gonna become a lot larger. Yup. I say itsy bitsy and then itsy bitsy turned into largy pargy. Largy margy, because Lord. I did not mean to go this big, but it's fine. It's fine. It's all for the aesthetic. It's for the aesthetic. It doesn't matter. It's all for the aesthetic. It still look cute though. Okay. And that's pretty much the eye look, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and go off camera. I'm going to do the other eye. Put on some lashes. You know, if you guys are watching in the live chat that I have going over here, we're going to continue on from there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye off camera. And then I'm going to hand you off the Dark and Hotness, okay? Okay. Y'all, the time has come. The sun is setting. And y'all got to finish off the rest of this week. Oh my God. It's Wednesday. What it do, boo? What's the tea, Marie? How your week treating you? Okay? I hope it's going good so far. But yes, I really do hope that my content is giving what it needs to give on the day it was given. Because I always try to give you something that you can feel. You dig? Okay? I just hope that my content is reaching out into the YouTubeverse and you're feeling it, okay? You're feeling it. You're feeling it, honey. Feeling it, okay? You need to feel it. But if anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Eddie, and share. Sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household right here. For my people that are already subscribed to my channel, I just need you guys to watch, you know. I looked at the analytics, and most of my views are from people that are not even subscribed to my channel. Like, come on. Do your boy a favor and watch the video all the way to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? I don't ask for too much, you know. If you can't do that, just send me $1. Send me $1, honey. Send me $1. Give me $40. I'm just saying. Shit, if you can't do that, then at least support me monetarily. Hell, send me the dollars. Send me $40. Man, let me put my Cash App. My Cash App tab. Let me stop. Find me on PayPal. My Cash App tripping anyway. Let me get that fixed. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. I don't want to hold y'all up too much. Y'all gotta finish off the rest of this week. I gotta finish off the rest of this week too with you. So we gotta stay strong. If anything, until next time, peace.